Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Jamnagar location. It is from Gujarat. I am going to mention all the links in the description box to apply for these job roles mentioned in this video. Interested candidates, you can please go through them. Coming to the video, there is a opportunity available in Spots 2 Ideas. They are looking for SEO executive. For this position, they are looking for immediate joiners, and you should have skills like SEO on page and SEO off page. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this position, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job position like onboarding agent. It is from CAHR. For this position, you should have 1 to 3 years of experience is required, and they will not provide any laptop, and all work should be done through the mobile app. And if you see the job responsibilities, like newly hired on-field agents will be responsible for dedicatedly drive acquisitions based off a lead list and onboarding outlets as per the lead list shared, ensuring seamless transition of outlets from onboarding to account management. And some more responsibilities are also mentioned here. Please check once. Interested candidates, you can apply directly from the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for the marketing executive. It is from Anand Bros Components. For this position, the responsibilities will include like identify target audience, objectives and desired outcomes of marketing campaign, research and develop marketing strategy and evaluate a success strategy, and develop content of marketing campaigns, and stay up to date on current marketing trends, manage and allocate budget correctly. These are some responsibilities I have mentioned here for this position. And if you see the qualifications required, you should have bachelor's degree in marketing or related field, and you should have 2 to 3 years of experience, and you should have strong analytical communication, time management and creative skills, and you should have strong ability to focus on consumer or marketing and take initiative experience with social media. These are some qualifications required for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the Agency Recruitment and Development Manager Department Agency. It is from Reliance Nippon Life Insurance. For this position, the responsibilities will include you are responsible for recruitment and management of agents, identify, recruit and manage advisors from the respective location, train and motivate advisors to provide a better understanding of market or products. And here some more responsibilities also I have mentioned. You please check once. For this position, you should have 1 to 4 years of experience, and you should have graduate, and you should have experience in sales industry. Interested candidates, you can please go through the details mentioned here, and you can easily apply from the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for the sales executive. It is from Falcon Components. And if you see the job responsibilities, like meet and exceed sales targets, successfully create business from new customer accounts, and you have to manage complex negotiations with senior level executives and build rapport and establish long-term relationships with customers. These are some responsibilities I have mentioned here for this position. And if you see the qualifications required, you should have an experience and working knowledge of CRM systems, and you should have demonstrable track record of overachieving quota, and you should have strong written and verbal communication skills. These are some responsibilities and qualifications required for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through the details mentioned here, and you can please apply from the link given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, There is a job opening for the business development manager and it is from Gayatri Metal Products. For this position, the responsibility is like you had to research and identify new business opportunities, including new markets, growth areas, trends, customers, partnerships, products and services, or uh, new ways of reaching existing markets. And some more responsibilities also mentioned here. You please check once. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Next one, there is a job opening for the instrument technician. It is from Pleasant INC. And if you see the job responsibilities, like you will work in a team environment and learn software development life cycle, and you will learn new technologies and develop applications which will delight their clients. These are some responsibilities I have mentioned here for this position. Interested candidates, if you are suitable for this position, you can please go through the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for the sales and marketing executive or manager. It is from Zip Hire. And if you see the education required for this position, like you should have any graduation and you should have minimum 6 months of experience in sales and the salary will be up to 50k plus traveling allowance. And if you see the job requirements and responsibilities, like the job purpose for this position is that like frontline sales personnel who would primarily be responsible for driving sales through channel partners, and you should have experience a minimum of 6 months in the construction material or uh, glass processing field, and you have to well established contacts with builders or developers, glass fabrications, interior turnkey contractors, window manufacturers, glass dealers and OEMs. These are some requirements and responsibilities I have included here. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Last one, there is a job position like a shift operator or technician. It is from CHR. For this position, you should have a diploma in chemical engineering with 3 to 5 years of experience in hydrocarbon industry. And if you see a job description like start, stop, and operate equipment to maintain designed operating parameters, ensure the efficient performance of all gas and liquid processing units and associated equipment, monitor quality of product to ensure meeting specifications, accountable for the management of pipeline operations activities in the shift, and troubleshoot any production disturbances that may occur. This is the job description, and interested candidates, if you are suitable for this position, you can easily apply from the link given below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.